Alright, what's up you guys? This is Ariel with the channel again. So for this video, you guys will be seeing that I'm changing the spark plugs and also the coil packs on the R33. I thought I'd just go ahead and change those right away because when we got it back up and running, with my good friends Jimmy and Carlos, it was kind of getting like a little hiccup on full throttle. So I thought I went to go ahead and got them anyways. So I got some split fire coil packs and some NGK iridium spark plugs. So in this video you'll see me changing them out. And disclaimer, I was an idiot and I could have taken the whole basically rail of the coil packs out and it would have been much easier, but I did it one by one. I didn't realize until I got into halfway, I was like, I could have just done this the entire time. So yeah, that was my bad, but either way, same way, just took longer, but either way, same thing. I got the coil packs done and spark plugs done. So enjoy the video, you guys. Me just changing out the coil packs and everything with the spark plugs. No walkthrough because again, it's something simple, very simple. So you guys don't need to know or a DIY on that at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. But enjoy the video. And then I'll talk to you guys afterwards. So it's all done. It has new split fire coil packs. I believe these are the series 1s, DIS 001, something like that. And it got new spark plugs as well. Old spark plugs were definitely just looks like it was running rich, maybe a little lean here and there, but definitely rich. But I just did an engine flush, so that's why they probably look all nasty. Well, it was nasty before, but it probably looks much nastier now. But new spark plugs are on, new coil packs are on, but I'm definitely gonna need a new harness. I think wiring specialties make a whole new harness for it, so I need to get that for sure, because this one broke on me. The fourth one broke on me. It's plugged in and everything, but maybe with some driving it might get loose here and there, so that's definitely needs to be changed. So I'm definitely gonna buy that. But other than that, it's on perfect. So perfect. All right, so that's all I did today. So catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.